Since this bike was built, it has averaged 104 miles per year. And it shows. Look at it. It's beautiful. I can only assume it was never put away dirty or wet. That is, if it ever got dirty or wet. From what I can see, for the last 47 years, this bike has lived an easy life. I imagine it was used mostly on Sundays to go get ice cream. Probably a classic flavor like vanilla. Nothing edgy like Rocky Road or mint chocolate. Then after 47 years of easy life, I come along.
I got it set up so if you make like 10 feet of air, you'll still clear the camera. Yeah, I'm recording.